I need a haircut. Gee. Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy, your homie, your dude, Camden Garris, back with another video. And today, as you can tell by the title, hold on. There we go. Alright, as you can tell by the title, wait. Better? Alright, so, I'm not gonna say this again. Alright, we will be burping for 5 minutes straight. 5 minutes straight. And I got some Canada Dry, that's gonna help me burp for 5 minutes straight. I'm not excited for this because I'm probably gonna puke, because if you have not watched my last video, I ate a spoonful of black pepper. My mouth is still so hot right now. Go watch the last video. It was very funny. It was like actually really funny. I'm not even joking you. Like, yeah, just here's a clip, okay? Now go watch it and watch the rest of this video. Okay. And subscribe, like, and comment down below, because this video is going to be crazy. I might even puke. I don't even know. My stomach is just not feeling the best. Alright? So, let's do this. Let me set a timer on my computer, and we'll get onto the video. It's going to be like a time lapse. I might just have, if they're like really good burps, I might leave them in. But it's going to be a time lapse because it takes up a lot of space in my camera. Well, my phone. Hopefully I get a camera soon. And, yeah. So, let me get a timer ready. Alright, so I got the timer right here. And let's start this thing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, start. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Don't try this at home, please. I will admit I've been getting better at my burps. I keep choking.
There's the timer. Alright. Shh. There we go. Alright, so I was choking during that. Please don't do this at home. I'm actually serious when I say that, so don't do this, like... Ugh. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. It is your boy, Camden Garris, checking out for now. And peace!